Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from inside of my tiny home on wheels, Domino. That's so funny. That's my husband. It is 6:30 in the morning on Sunday, and I'm actually about to head out. Pause. I'm Brittany from, I guess, the future, but also past, because this is today and I'm posting the video tomorrow. So hi, I'm Brittany from Futures Past. While editing this video, I kind of figured that I should give you guys a little bit of context of why I'm taking this particular trip. So basically, I was reached out via Instagram to do an official bus tour on Domino, and so the meetup location is in Idaho for filming, and so I just decided to do like a week-long trip, take about 3 days to get to the filming location. I think we stayed there for about 2 or 3 days, and then it took me another 3 days to get back. So this particular video is the 3 days leading up to the filming location. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Domino is loaded up and it's time to hit the road. I think this is like a 40-footer. It's freaking huge. I visited this rest stop before and it was on the trip coming back from picking up Domino. So I'm gonna let Jaden out really quick and then get back on the road. I really only drove like 72 miles, but I think nerves and morning coffee got to me. Only 236 more miles to go. Jaden and I are sitting at a truck stop rest area off the side of the expressway because Dom was getting a little too warm. I'm just gonna be sitting here for about 25 more minutes to just cool off a bit and then take that rest of like 50 minutes, 50 miles or so. And then we'll be at the camp stop for tonight. Everyone's head is down. Show me around. I see you eating up your feet. Wish it didn't bother me. Tonight I'm actually staying at a campsite, so you get to use the showers here. So let's check it out. Ouch! Ouch. Oh, this is nice. Go, Jay. Go. Alrighty, so I'm all ready for my shower. I have my shower shoes, and I'm actually going to use my loofah bar soap. That was a really nice shower. I mean, it's not, you know, compared to being at the house or anything, but for what it was, that was a really good shower. Wish it didn't bother me. Good morning. It's a new day and I'm about to use the facilities to brush my teeth, wash my face, stuff like that. I will say that I slept pretty good, minus the 3 different times Jaden got me up with his coughing. Jaden suffers from pulmonary hypertension, so it causes him to have really bad coughs, and he also has like a almost collapsed trachea, so that messes up his cough too. So yeah, he got me up a few times, but it was a good bit of sleep. Feeling super refreshed and ready to start my day. I think I have about 5 hours to drive this morning. Hopefully I'll be on the road by 7 and then I can be to my location, you know, probably by 12, before 1 o'clock hopefully. I think I hit a time change, so excuse me, that might mess with my time a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and get Domino ready and then we're gonna hit the road. Who's got the clothes
Whose bank's filling up the most? Numbers game. Where's the shame? It's in the crowd. Everyone's head is down. Show me around. I see you eating up your feet.
I will say the drive yesterday and basically all of today up until right now has been like smooth sailing. It's just been me and the road, maybe one or two, 18-wheelers or whatever. But right now I ran into road work, so the next 6 miles is like a snail's pace. This sucks. Okay, I made it to the location and I have about 30 minutes until class starts. So this place where I'm at now is a national park, and disabled veterans actually get a free annual pass, and I'm 90% disabled, so I got my free pass, and it slices the overnight camping in half. So I only have to pay $7.50 to camp here for the night. So let me go ahead and pay, and then I have to log in to the Zoom meeting for class. So much for first day of class. I'm going to have to email the professor tomorrow morning and let them know, and just make sure where I camp at tomorrow and Wednesday has decent service so I can log in. Terrible first impression, but I will send them an email. Did you see that bee? Don't start. Don't start. So I was able to get service for like 2 seconds to call Andrew and to actually send out a text message to him letting him know that my service is like crap. I'm gonna move Dom because the spot up by the pay station, at least the service is going in and out. It's not the best, but at least it's going in and out. It's something. So I was able to get like 1 bar, so I moved locations. I still have a restroom here. Here's my picnic table. Here's the grill if I wanted to use it. Right there, there's the water fill station, and there's the restroom. And basically, in front of Dom is the check-in area. So I'm literally right in the front. So this is how I keep my door open. And I know it is killing the door, so I think I just came up with an idea in order to keep my door open because it's windy. It's really nice out, and I kind of want that air to go inside of Domino.
Getting you to read the terms and conditions.
I'm looking around and it is already 8:30, and it doesn't look like it's 8:30. It's still really bright out. The moon is out. It's so pretty. And I think tomorrow I only have like 2.5 hours, between 2.5 hours and like 3.5 hours. So fingers crossed for 2.5 hours. Jaden and I are just sitting out here. Nice breeze.
She's pregnant. Yeah.
Good morning, friends. All right, so I checked on the map and it is rain coming hardcore, so I have to change paths, and it looks like we're going to a different location. Luckily this morning the drive is only like 1 hour and 45 minutes. So I had to pull off. I needed to find a spot where I can eat and also check into my Zoom class. So this is where I'm at. I think this is where I'm going to end this video. As you see, I made it into Idaho, but all of the fun and shenanigans are going to be in the next video. In the next video, you'll see me going off-roading in Domino for the first time and possibly the last time. 1 star, do not recommend. It was like insane. I also have a visitor that comes to Idaho and stays a few nights, and I get my first freaking outdoor shower. Well, I take my first freaking outdoor shower and I use like river water. So that was an experience. I hope you like this week's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see what happens on the next video, please subscribe if that's something you like. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.
Wish it didn't bother me. Now I got a little mission, getting you to read the terms and conditions.